question I'm going to be answering is draw particulate diagrams of each of the following substances: oxygen or O2 gaseous, H2O liquid, and NaCl solid. So, oxygen is going to be just molecules because it doesn't include a metal. It's only a non-metal. Okay, and then H2O, so we've got hydrogen up here and oxygen over here, and they're both nonmetals, so it's also going to be molecules. So we've got oxygen and our little hydrogens. Okay, and then for NaCl, we've got sodium over here, which is going to be a metal, and then we've got chlorine over here, which is a nonmetal. So it's going to be an ionic compound, which is going to be a lattice structure instead of the molecules that the other two have. Okay, so we've got sodium, chlorine, oops, plus negative. And I got those signs because the first column, all of them are -1. Over here, this is all -1, and then we've got negative, or this is all +1, excuse me, and then this is all going to be -1 right here, which is where chlorine's at. Okay, so then explain why the terms molecule and compound are not interchangeable. So oxygen is not technically a compound, but it is a molecule, and it's not a compound because it's only oxygen. It doesn't have another molecule that it's bonded to. Water, H2O, is going to have molecules, so this is going to be a molecule, but then it's, so this is a molecular compound. Okay. And then in NaCl, it does not have molecules. It is going to have a formula unit, which is what this is. So it does not include molecules, but it is still a compound because it's going to be an ionic compound. So they are not interchangeable because O2 contains molecules, which is what this is, but then it is not a compound. H2O is a compound and contains molecules, but then NaCl is a compound that does not contain molecules. So molecule and compound are not the same thing. A molecule can be part of a compound, but just because it's a compound doesn't mean it's going to have molecules.